Welcome back! Let's make pasta, zucchini e salmone. If you don't have much time but you're looking for something fancy, this recipe is the recipe! Pasta coated with a creamy, light but yet flavorful ricotta and zucchini pesto, enriched by parmigiano and garlic, and smoked salmon that gives color and an incredible smoky flavor. And that's how we do it! First, we need to cut our lovely zucchini. We need to cook it quickly, and the fastest way to cook it is to cut it into small pieces. So let's first slice our zucchini lengthwise and then crosswise. This way we'll have tiny pieces that cook fast. Otherwise, you can grate the zucchini and squeeze them to remove the moisture. Grab a non-sticking pan and pour 2 spoons of olive oil. When the oil is hot, add the zucchini pieces and a pinch of salt. That will help the zucchini expel their moisture faster. Let it cook for about 5 minutes covered with a lid and say goodbye. Meanwhile, let's put the other ingredients in a jar. First, the creamy cow ricotta, then the grated Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, the garlic clove, and the olive oil, about 30 milliliters. Basil would be great here. Unfortunately, we don't have any. So, bye-bye. Eventually, add your cooked zucchini and start mix it like no tomorrow. You can choose to have a smoother or rougher sauce here. We like it just like that. It's important now to taste the sauce and add some pepper and salt if needed. This one is great with a delicate garlic aroma. Tastes really good. As always, boil 1.5 liters of water and add a spoon of salt. Let's cook some conchiglie, shell-shaped pasta. While the pasta cooks, let's take a moment to look at our smoked salmon. We want to cut it into pieces, but not too small, because we also want to feel the texture of this luxury smoked salmon. So add your drained pasta to the sauce using a skimmer and simply mix it with a spoon until all the pasta is well coated, creamy and fragrant. Plate it up and decorate with our joyful and colorful salmon pieces. I have nothing left to say, so I'm going to taste it, and I know already it's a cannonata! And it is a cannonata! If you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe our channel for more pasta recipe from Italia! Bye bye!